Hello friends, in last video we have to see the overloading protection devices and electrical ground fault detection. So now today we are going to start the new topic, grounding and isolating electrical circuits. Grounding and isolating electrical circuit. Isolating electrical circuit. Electrical circuit. You know that in this grounding and isolating electrical circuit, we oftenly use it is not connected to each other. It is different form will be generated. So in this electrical circuit, we have to the first I said that the grounding information. When you know that when we electrical switch generated, then in our home we can use the earthing controller device. So that earthing controller devices is we can in the ground level then that can be the electrical wires and that fit inside that hole, and it protect when any electrically shocks will be generated. That earthing level will be controlled this ground system. So in these various types of we can be protect from this grounding electrical phenomena. So that can be it can be not used from each another. It's the ground level working can be generated. So that can be all grounding phenomena will be generated by using these electrical appliances. So that circuits will be many times useful for controlling the earthing. In our electrical we have to generating the any short circuits any other devices. So the another is electrical is isolating electrical phenomena. In this isolated electrical phenomena that can be generated for that phenomena is very neutrally form will be generated. So that can be specifically we can protect from the various electrical appliances applying devices. So in these devices we can be isolated from one ground level for the systems. So this isolated electrical circuits is oftenly used for in the LAN of computer systems. So that LAN be controlling the ground level electrical short circuits will be many systems. You know that in bank, school, colleges, offices, various types of purposes, the many computers can be connected together. So each computers can be attached from LAN connectivity. So you know that about LAN. LAN is a local area networks. Each components can be fitted inside the room, and that systems will be connected from LAN network. So in these LAN networks will be fitted in ground level. So the supply can be transferred from one system to another system. In that supply can be any internet level, yeah, electrical level, it can be generated from one system to another system. One modem can be connected for all devices internet activation process. So this ground level phenomena will be generated for electrically generated using the isolating circuit. So that circuit using, we can be any types of fault identify in the system, we can be easily detects. So that phenomena in the ground level, ground testing level, we can be easily fault identify. So in this way, various types of phenomena we can be used, that grounding and isolating electrical circuit for protecting us from any electrically fault, electrically injuries. So that can be very useful, this circuits phenomena, grounding and isolating in our day-to-day life. So now next point I tell you, phase reversal. Second is phase reversal. So ground level circuits, it will be fitted in a rectangle form. Each system is sitting inside that level. So it will be connected from one system to another system, that will be the ground level connections. So in this way, that will be perform that electrical level work. So in this way, ground level is the systems and this will be connecting circuit switches. So in this way, ground level electrical phenomena will be generated in system without any faulting, and fault will be detected easily, and that work will be properly do. So now another next point is phase reversal. So this in this way, phase reversal is a condition that can be occur in the form of op-amp circuits. You know that op-amp is an electrical circuit that can be used in various form. In this op-amp, the non-inverting terminal is connected to positive side, and inverting terminal is connected to negative side. This will be positive, this will be negative. So this circuit, positive and negative terminal, this terminal is known as non-inverting terminal, and this terminal is known as inverting terminal. So this will be connected to the op-amp circuit. In this way, the op-amp circuits will be worked out. So in this op-amp circuit, that can be amplified the reversal process. That the reversal process means the positive terminal is connected to non-inverting terminal, and negative terminal is connected to inverting terminal. So that can be process amplifies that applied the input common mode voltage approaches. So that can be provide the circuit's electrical phenomena from negative to positive terminal. So we can be the voltage can be specified from the that about the range of negative terminal to positive terminal. So that will be the points will be defected the opposite form. So that can be used in electrical appliances which can be indicate the location about the voltage. So that it can be used for oftenly in the generating of any electrical circuits, and it will be used for generating the on-off level of switches. So another reversal processing is the most important example is troubleshooting. So this example will be can be occur in the phase reversal problem. That cannot be it cannot be required for the phase of diagnoses of the any fault. So that can be this is the phase can be easily monitoring that the processing. So phase that phase from generated from A phase to A terminal, and another side B phase to B terminal. So that can be approaches the common connections will be generated that about the that systems will be generated for A to B terminal. So that can be same sequence will be generated in this phenomena. So it is the it can be steps used in the form of operating point. In the operating reversal phase reversal condition. So it can be opposes the reverse the phase reversal conditions. So in this way we can prove that these 2 points of grounding and insulating electrical circuits, and secondly phase reversal is a reversing process can be generated. Then op-amp and troubleshooting is an oftenly used the most important examples in the phase reversal process. So in this way we can prove it. So thank you.